In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shortcuts to shared files. This simple process will help you organize and access your files more efficiently, especially when dealing with documents or folders that you frequently need from someone else's shared files. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you need to open your Google Drive. Once you're in, navigate to the section labeled Shared with Me. This is where all the files that have been shared with you by others reside. It can often be a cluttered space with numerous files from various people, so adding shortcuts to these files in your own drive can truly help organize things better. Now scroll through the list and select the specific file or folder you want to create a shortcut for. When you've highlighted the item, look for the three vertical dots icon, often referred to as the Options menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of actions you can take. From this menu, you need to select the Organize option. Under this submenu, you will see an option to add a shortcut. Choosing this will initiate a prompt for the next step in setting up a convenient access point for your selected file. Next, you'll want to decide where to place this shortcut. You'll see a pop-up asking you to select a folder within your Google Drive. You might choose your main drive section or a specific folder if you have a system already organized. This part is crucial because it determines how easy it will be for you to find and use the shortcut later. Once you have selected the desired folder, simply press the ADD button. This action finalizes the creation of your shortcut, effectively linking your chosen shared file into your personal organization system on Google Drive. Finally, to confirm everything has worked as expected, head over to your Google Drive's main area and locate the folder or area where you saved the shortcut. This will ensure that the shortcut is indeed in a place that will be easy for you to use in the future. If it's all set, you will see the shared file appearing just like your other files, but with a shortcut link symbol indicating its origin from the shared section. This straightforward method ensures that your workspace remains efficient and less cluttered, letting you focus more on what's important than sorting through numerous shared files. If you follow these steps, you'll find managing shared files becomes much easier. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to